All right, so this is a battery, a controller, and a motor. And we got the charger on the other side that we're sending out to somebody doing a project. And I got our controller. This is our wires coming from the battery. And they got a nice black and a red to show the where the power comes in. They don't have it marked battery, what they could, but what they do is they have motor terminals over here, and that's the wires going out to the motor. So we got our two wires going out to the motor. We got our two wires coming in from our battery pack. We have our throttle wires, our three throttle wires, which we see we have throttle, and you can't see it, but it says 12 volts, and that says ground, chassis ground, and that's our black, red, and white there. And then we have our two power wires, which P ground and ignition. And they're off to the side a little so they don't line up exactly with the screws, but you can figure that out. And here's where our cooling goes in to keep this guy cool. So I'm going to hook him up. He takes a moment to pre-charge, and that's where that red light is blinking while he's warming up. And there he pre-charged on, went through its test circuit. It's interesting, this thing only uses 0.4 amps, and it's so here's our throttle here, and there's our motor. That's a nice sounding motor. And over here we have our meter, and he is set up so that he reads half the voltage of what the battery pack is. So, and you see we're using about 10 amps there. So everything is working. I got to finish screwing this box together. This is our battery charger, which we've got all that hooked up to. This is his brain. Going to the J1772 plug here, and that is our plug that's going in the car. So we got everything on the bench working. I'll give another example of the battery charger when we get that far.